Have you ever thought about combining archery with healthy living in permaculture? It's a fascinating blend, really. Picture the poise and precision of an archer, honing their focus and physical health, then tie that into the sustainable, regenerative world of permaculture. Archery, an ancient sport, has a profound impact on our well-being. It enhances focus, improves physical strength, and encourages a deep connection with nature. On the other hand, permaculture is about creating sustainable and self-sufficient agricultural systems. It's about living in harmony with nature, nurturing biodiversity, and promoting a healthier lifestyle. So imagine merging these two. The strength and focus of archery, coupled with the sustainability of permaculture, creates a unique synergy. It's about enhancing our physical and mental well-being while caring for our planet. The idea might seem a little unconventional, but the results are truly astonishing. Let's explore the story of a person who has successfully combined archery with a healthy lifestyle in permaculture. Meet John, a dedicated permaculture farmer who discovered the thrill of archery. Initially, John used archery as a leisurely pastime, but soon he realized the remarkable benefits it brought to his life. John began experiencing improvements in his physical health. He developed a stronger core, better hand-eye coordination, and increased upper body strength. But the benefits didn't stop at the physical. Archery required a keen focus, a sense of calm, and precision, which all translated into mental benefits. With time, John became a proficient archer, and this journey transformed his life on the farm. He began to see his work in permaculture through a new lens, applying the same focus and precision he used in archery to his farming practices, enhancing his relationship with the land and his crops. His story is an inspiration that shows how the combination of archery and permaculture can lead to a healthier and more fulfilling life. But how exactly does archery fit into permaculture? Well, think of it this way. In permaculture, we observe the patterns and features of the natural environment, then apply them in designing and managing our farms. Now, archery is a sport that requires keen observation, precision, and patience, all of which are integral to permaculture. Imagine incorporating archery into your daily routine. As you draw the bow, you become more aware of your surroundings, attuning yourself to the rhythm of the farm. This heightened sense of awareness can greatly enhance your understanding of the farm's ecosystem. Practicing archery in a natural setting is not just about hitting the bullseye, it's about cultivating a sense of focus and discipline. You learn to be patient, to wait for the right moment. These are the very qualities that make a successful permaculture farmer. Archery, with its focus on precision and patience, perfectly complements the principles of permaculture. So, how can we get the new generation interested in farming and archery? Well, it's time we shake things up a bit. We need to show them that farming is not just about tilling the earth and planting seeds. It's about living in harmony with nature. And what better way to do that than to incorporate sports like archery into the mix? Imagine hosting archery competitions right in the heart of a lush permaculture farm. The thrill of hitting the bullseye, the camaraderie among participants, the smell of fresh earth, it's an experience like no other. Moreover, archery teaches focus and patience, virtues that are essential in farming. It's about hitting your target, just like how you aim to grow a successful crop. We could also introduce workshops that combine lessons in archery and practical farming. This way, youngsters can see the connection between the two and appreciate the holistic nature of permaculture. By integrating archery with permaculture, we can introduce a new, exciting dimension to farming that can attract the younger generation.